Today we'll be doing 100 biology GK questions for SSC, UPSC, PCS, railway and other examinations. Let's start. Question number 1. Alcoholic drink contains. Answer is ethyl alcohol. Question number 2. Glucose is stored by animals in the form of. Answer is glycogen. Question number 23. Question number 3. Ascariasis is caused by. Answer is roundworm. Question number 4. BCG vaccination gives immunity from. Answer is tuberculosis. Question number 5. Blood groups was discovered by. Answer is Karl Landsteiner. Question number 6. The first successful heart transplant in India was performed by. Answer is Dr. Panangipalli Venugopal. Answer. Question number 7. The oral polio vaccine was discovered by. Answer is Jonas Salk. Question number 8. Companion cells are unique to. Answer is angiosperms. Question number 9. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Question number 10. Dog bite can cause rabies. Bite of which other animal can also cause rabies? Answer is bat. Question number 11. Endocrine glands are also known as. Answer is ductless glands. Question number 12. The smallpox vaccine was discovered by. Answer is Edward Jenner. Question number 13. Deficiency of iodine leads to. Answer is enlargement of thyroid gland. Question number 14. First vaccine produced by biotechnology was used against which virus? Answer is hepatitis B virus. Question number 15. Turmeric is obtained from which part of plant? Answer is stem. Question number 16. Genes are made by. Answer is polynucleotides. Question number 17. Hematopoiesis occurs in. Answer is bone marrow. Question number 18. Leprosy is also known as. Answer is Hansen's disease. Question number 19. A human skull has number of bones. Answer is 22 bones. Question number 20. Deposition of which acid in muscles leads to feeling of fatigue in humans? Answer is lactic acid. Question number 21. RBC count in blood is increased when a person is having. Answer is polycythemia. Question number 22. Where are lacrimal glands are situated in the human body? Answer is eye orbit. Question number 23. The red, blue and purple color seen in plants because of which pigment? Answer is anthocyanin pigment. Question number 24. Which part of human brain controls motor skills of body? Answer is frontal lobes. Question number 25. What is the name of hormone that regulates the amount of glucose in the blood? Answer is insulin. Question number 26. Name the gas used for making vegetable ghee. Answer is hydrogen. Question number 27. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Answer is liver. Question number 28. The smallest functional unit of kidney is nephron. Question number 29. James D. Watson, a Nobel Prize winning scientist, is expert in the field of. Answer is genetics. Question number 30. Polio is caused by. Answer is a virus. Question number 31. The flow of energy in the energy pyramid is always. Answer is upwards. Question number 32. Saliva helps in digestion of. Answer is starch. Question number 33. Which parent's chromosome is used for sex determination test? Answer is father. Question number 34. The biogas used for cooking is a mixture of. Answer is methane and carbon dioxide. Question number 35. The yellow color of human feces is a result of pigment called. Answer is urobilin. Question number 36. Which air pollutant cause the most serious health hazards? Answer is sulfur dioxide. Question number 37. Vitamin K is required for the synthesis of. Answer is prothrombin. Question number 38. Which compound is used in anti-malarial drug? Answer is chloroquine. Question number 39. Dental cavities are caused by because of deficiency of. Answer is fluorine. Question number 40. What is the process of filtering blood through an artificial kidney called? Answer is dialysis. Question number 41. Which is the first vaccine injected to a newly born baby? Answer is BCG. Question number 42. Food poisoning is caused by. Answer is Clostridium botulinum. 43. Which hormone is used as oral contraceptive? Answer is progesterone. Question 44. The longest and largest bone in the human body is femur. 45. Which metal is present in hemoglobin? Answer is iron. 46. What is the total number of chromosomes found in human gene? Answer is 46. Question number 47. The pH value of human blood is. Answer is 7.40. 48. The plants which grow under water stress conditions are called. Answer is xerophytes. 49. During photosynthesis, solar energy is converted into. Answer is chemical energy. Question 50. Which is the smallest bone in human body? Answer is stapes. Question number 51. The study of trees is called. Answer is dendrology. Question number 52. Who proposed the theory of natural selection? Answer is Charles Darwin and Alfred Russel. Question number 53. Turpentine oil is obtained from. Answer is resins from pines. 54. Uppermost layer of skin is called. Answer is epidermis. Question number 55. Which is the only element found in chlorophyll? Answer is magnesium. Question number 56. What are bryophytes? Answer is amphibious plants. Question 57. Which component of cell is also called as kitchen? Answer is chloroplasts. 58. What is known as suicidal bags of cell? Answer is lysosomes. Question 59. What is systolic and diastolic pressure in a healthy man? 120 and 80 mmHg. Question 60. Dermatology is the study of. Answer is human skin. 61. Which chemical is popularly used in rat poison? Answer is white phosphorus. 62. What is the dental formula of a man? Answer is 2123 by 2123. Question 62. What is the name of first cloned sheep? Answer is Dolly. Question 64. What is the normal cholesterol level in human blood? Answer is 180 to 200 milligram per deciliter. 65. What is the smallest structural and functional unit of nervous system? Answer is neuron. 66. 99% of water is lost during transpiration. Is it true or false? Answer is true. 67. Which enzyme is present in all members of the animal kingdom except protozoa? Answer is amylase. 68. Zika virus is carried by mosquito. Answer is Aedes mosquito. 69. Tomato contains which acid? Answer is oxalic acid. 70. Which animal respires without having blood in them? Answer is hydra. 71. Which cell acting as phagocytes are present in the liver? Answer is Kupffer cells. 72. Which cell organelles function as the powerhouse of living cell? Answer is mitochondria. 73. A bite of mad dog causes. Answer is hydrophobia. 74. Which disease is known as silent killer? Answer is high blood pressure. 75. Human saliva contains the enzymes known as. Answer is ptyalin. 76. Which gland disappears during old age? Answer is thymus gland. 77. The insect responsible for spread of Kala Azar is. Answer is sandfly. 78. What is known as strongest natural fiber? Answer is silk. 79. Which is known as graveyard of RBCs? Answer is spleen. Question 80. The gland known as master gland in human body is. Answer is pituitary gland. 81. The process of cell division is known as. Answer is mitosis. 82. Which part of plant body acts as the carrier of food and other substances to all its parts? Answer is phloem. 83. Which is the sweetest sugar? Answer is fructose. 84. The hearing function is associated with which part of human brain? Answer is temporal lobe. 85. Which major chemical compound is found in human kidney stones? Answer is calcium oxalate. 86. Which metal is present in insulin? Answer is zinc. 87. The thirst, hunger, and sleep are controlled by which part of the brain? Answer is hypothalamus. 87. Alcohol affects which part of human brain? Answer is cerebellum. 89. Which part of human brain is regulating center for swallowing and vomiting? Answer is medulla oblongata. Question number 90. Which part of human eye changes its size based on the amount of light? Answer is pupil. 91. The plant which yields biodiesel or biofuel is. Answer is Jatropha sulcus. 92. The part of human eye which regulates the quantum of light entering is. Answer is iris. Question number 93. Which salt is found in human bone in largest amount? Answer is calcium phosphate. 94. What is the name of the test done to diagnose cancer? Answer is biopsy test. 96. Intake of which vitamin is recommended to improve blood coagulation? Answer is vitamin K. 97. Who explained about the blood circulation for the first time? Answer is William Harvey. 98. What did Alexander Fleming invented? Answer is penicillin. 99. Who is credited for producing first man-made gene in lab? Answer is Dr. Hargobind Khurana. 100. Xerophthalmia is disease caused by lack of which vitamin? Answer is vitamin A. Thank you.